A grand birthday party of celebrity international dietitian Shikha A. Sharma, director of Shikha A. Sharma Fat to Slim, was held at Takeoff Scarlet Toss Air Bar, Club Road, West Punjabi Bagh, New Delhi, where Delhi's renowned personality Rituraj Sharma owns craft work company, Anil Mittal owner Satmola Group, Nivedita Basu director television industry, Bharti Taneja and Gunjan Taneja owner of Alfaz, Shalu Jain honor iconic award, and Z Delhi darling Seema Gambar, Manya Pathak, Shalu Jindal wished celebrity Shikha Sharma a very happy birthday and also the cake fed. All the guests who came to the party had a lot of fun. Watch the special news, Delhi.
Myself Shikha A. Sharma, founder of Fat to Slim.
And I'm Rituraj, and I'm the founder of Hindustan Foods.
Well, I'm the owner of 48 franchises world over, and we're making a difference in terms of the, health, जो लोगों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी हो गई है. And we are doing in the way of Ayurveda, we are doing in the way of Indian spices, being economical. This is the yes.
क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप? जिससे कि
आज बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सारी मीडिया, मेरे दोस्त बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री से, बड़ी बड़ी फैशन इंडस्ट्री से, बड़े बड़े बिजनेस टाइकॉन्स आज मेरे बर्थडे में थे. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड आई एम फीलिंग वेरी ब्लेस्ड, वी आर फीलिंग वेरी ब्लेस्ड टू हैव such a wonderful friend in the industry who gave us so much of love from all over the world, and I not only from Delhi, even my friends from Mumbai, they traveled for me, so we are feeling very good.
We are feeling absolutely delighted. We are very happy, and this is Shikha's birthday, and people they came to attend the party from different places all over the world, and a lot of media celebrities they also attended the party, and it's actually a glorious day, and we all are extremely happy that all of them they came and they attended the party, and they are sharing their happiness with us.
Thank you so much.
Hi, myself Shalu Jain, founder and director of Iconic Awards and managing director of TRS, and I want to wish my best friend Shikha Sharma heartiest congratulations on grand celebration of her birthday. Shikha, you rock. Best wishes. Bye.
what I'm given.
Hi, I'm Madhuri Talwar, the franchisee director of Shikha Sharma Fashion Slim Bangladesh. And I call it a lovely birthday party celebration में आना है, and it's an honor working with such a lovely person. I'm feeling blessed that आज की पार्टी में ज्वाइन करें उसके साथ और बहुत ही मज़ा आया. बहुत अच्छा लगा. शिखा मैम एक्चुअली शी इज़ वेरी सपोर्टिव, कहीं भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो शी इज़ वेरी सपोर्टिव, एंड उनकी जो डाइट का यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है तो उसी से हम लोग उनके साथ जुड़े, और मैं चाहूँगी कि आप लोग भी ज़रूर उनके साथ जुड़ें, और उनका जो मिशन है फिट इंडिया का वो आप लोग प्लीज़ ज़रूर शामिल करें.
Hi everyone, I'm Hema Thakur, renowned professional makeup artist, makeup educator and salon owner. So आज मैंने ज्वाइन किया है शिखा शर्मा की बर्थडे पार्टी एंड शी हैज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड सो वेल. बहुत अच्छा क्राउड है. इवन अगर मैं शिखा के बारे में बोलूँ तो शी इज़ लाइक द फेस की पर्सनैलिटी फॉर अस, एंड बहुत रिनाउंड प्रोफेशनल डाइटिशियन एंड इवन आई हैड टेकन हर डाइट एंड शी इज़ जस्ट वंडरफुल. थैंक यू.
I am Ravina Sharma. I am vegetarian. I have hotels and restaurants in Delhi and luxury apartments. Shikha is my very old friend. She is beautiful soul, inside out she is beautiful, and she is genuinely good with people, and she is a clever dietitian, and she gives good guide to people, and without any extra expenditure from the kitchen only. That's the best part. And she has made a lot of change in the world around her, and God bless her, and this is a very great party that she has thrown us, and we are enjoying her party. Hip hip hooray, love you Shikha. Bye.
Hi, I am Sukham and this is Megha. So we are here for our very very close friend Shikha's birthday party, and to be very honest, this is rocking and we are having a great time. Thank you Shikha for having us. Keep us sweetheart.
Shikha ka birthday, she's in celebrating in Chambers today. So I'm really congratulating her, a beautiful birthday and a beautiful future about the work she's doing for many. She have created a name in diet.
So I think she's a highly recommended dietitian to refer who want to get a consultation, and she made a name. So I think she's enough to explain the word as a woman. So I'm really congratulating her on her birthday.
इंटरनेशनल फैशन डिजाइनर है और आपके साथ मौका मिला था, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। और शिखा की जो बर्थडे ड्रेस है वो मैंने डिजाइन की है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि शिखा जो मेरी फ्रेंड है बहुत खुश होती है। सबसे अच्छी बात है कि देखो ड्रेस तो हम बहुत बनाते हैं, अंदर से आपको जो पॉजिटिव होता है ना तो वो अच्छा फील कराता है हमें।
आप शिखा मैम के लिए इसमें से क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
शिखा के लिए तो मैं जितना बोलूँ वो कम है। बस एक डाइटिशियन के साथ साथ बहुत ही अच्छी लगता है, हमेशा हेल्पफुल रहती हैं और उनका नेचर इतना अच्छा है कि कभी आप देख रहे होगे कि जो इतने लोग कनेक्ट हैं तो वो सिर्फ उनके नेचर की वजह से।
हाय, आई एम योत्सना अत्री, दिल्ली सोशलाइट, और शिखा को मैं सिंस 5-6 साल से जानती हूँ और शी इज़ वेरी गुड एंड स्लिम टू फिट। और उसने जो काम किया है इतने छोटे वक्त में जो नाम कमाया है ऑसम। और वो कहती है ना कि रसोई मतलब घर से ही उसने स्लिम टू फिट का जो मोटिव चलाया था वो सक्सेस हो रहा है एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। नाउ टुडे आई एम इन हर बर्थडे और बर्थडे पार्टी आप देख सकते हो, आपको दिखाएंगे कि बहुत अच्छी चल रही है एंड wishing her a lot of very happy birthday. God bless you, Shikha, with lots of love and with lots of success and with lots of blessings.
Hi, I'm a luxury consultant, Madhvi Irvani, and I'm very happy to be here today. My congratulations to Shikha Sharma and a very, very happy birthday to her. She's a wonderful, cheerful, happy person, and it's lovely to be here today with all the Delhi people, common friends, and we are having a good time. I wish her all the best in life.
Well, it's an amazing experience, and I mean, I'm really excited about my brother's wife's birthday, and I mean, see, the vibes over here are too good, and definitely, Bobby has done amazing, and she's a great dietitian, and I mean, see, the thing is that the idea is that it should be people are able to have food, have good food, and still reduce weight. So definitely this is what it is. This is the success of it. So definitely she's made a name for herself, and I mean that's how it shows over here. And it's an amazing experience. It's a really good birthday party, like our celebrity dietitian Shikha Sharma. So, but I mean, see, I am right now I'm working in Singapore. Our company is Bloomberg listed, and I mean, the thing is, even in Singapore, we people are talking about this brand because the thing is, it has really made an impact. Like, how can we eat food like chicken, mutton, fish, and still reduce weight? So that's like something out of this world. So I mean, I'm really enjoying myself.
And I'm wishing Shikha Sharma a very happy birthday. Everyone knows she's a very renowned dietitian, and मेरा पेट भी उन्होंने कम किया है. So credit goes to her for so many fit bodies. God bless her. Happy birthday once again. Thank you.
I'm Deepika Chhabra, and I also create events and get food consultants. And my father is in food business, and that's how I'm a food consultant with food traders. And today I'm here to attend Shikha Sharma, Shikha's birthday, and it's a lovely party और बहुत मजा आ रहा है. And Shikha की party बहुत rocking होती है. It's like we always know it's going to be a splendid evening. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sissy Juneja from Accessorize Surprise. We are all here today at Shikha's birthday at Punjabi Bagh Takeoff Salad. It was a wonderful evening. I am so glad I was a part of it. Thank you so much.
Gunjan Sodi, I am the Joint Secretary of WWMA, and I would like to congratulate my most favorite doll, Shikha Sharma. She is so close to me. I've been following her diet for years now. You can see the difference here. We've been traveling together. We traveled to IFA Awards, Bangkok together. We are so close together. I wish her all much more power, much more success in the coming years. God bless you, Shikha. Happy birthday. We love you.
everyone, I'm Dr. Shikha Singh and we all are here to celebrate Shikha Sharma's birthday. We all are having a great time and I really wish her all the very best in her life, and we all love her, so that's why we all are here wishing her all the very best. Let's rock her birthday today. Thank you so much.
मेरा नाम पांचुली अग्रवाल है. I'm a tarot reader by profession and today I'm here at Shikha's birthday party.
आप शिखा मैम के लिए स्पेशल क्या कहना चाहते हैं बर्थडे पार्टी पर?
I just want to tell Shikha, please keep up doing the good work that she is doing. And I want to tell her that please stay gorgeous and keep inspiring all.